If you've ever worried about losing your files or just want a set-it-and-forget-it system for backing up your most important folders, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Microsoft OneDrive to automatically back up your critical Windows folders like your desktop, documents, and pictures. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple, automatic backup running in the background, so you can rest easy knowing your files are safe and accessible, no matter what. Let's dive right in. We'll start by opening up your OneDrive settings. Look down at your system tray, which is usually found in the lower right corner of your Windows taskbar. It's that little area near your clock. You should see a small blue cloud icon. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to click that little arrow to show hidden icons. Once you spot the blue cloud, go ahead and click on it. This is your OneDrive Control Center. Now look for the gear icon. Sometimes it says Help and Settings, and give that a click, then choose Settings from the menu. This opens up all the configuration options for your OneDrive. Next, we need to head to the Backup section. In the OneDrive Settings window, you'll find a tab labeled Sync and Backup, or sometimes just Backup, depending on your version. Click on that tab. This is where you tell OneDrive exactly what you want it to protect. Think of it like choosing which rooms in your house you'd like your security system to watch over. Once you're in the Backup tab, you'll see an option that says Manage Backup, or in some versions it might say Backup Important PC Folders. Click on that. This screen will show you the main folders available for backup, typically your desktop, documents, and pictures. These are the places where, let's be honest, most of us store our essential schoolwork, family photos, and even that random stuff we save to the desktop and forget about. Here, where you personalize things a bit, you'll see toggles next to each folder: desktop, documents, and pictures. Decide which ones you want to have automatically backed up to the cloud. You can toggle on any or all of them. OneDrive lets you pick what fits your needs. For example, I always recommend at least the Documents and Pictures folders, because those are the hardest to replace if something happens to your computer. If you use your desktop as a catch-all, definitely include that too. Remember, the more you back up, the more peace of mind you gain. Once you've chosen your folders, click on Start Backup or Save Changes. The specific button might vary a bit, but they both do the trick. Now OneDrive will start moving those folders into your OneDrive directory and syncing them with your cloud storage. This is where the magic happens. From now on, anytime you add, edit, or remove files in those folders, OneDrive will automatically back them up in real time. You don't have to remember anything or run a manual backup. It just happens for you in the background. Don't worry if it takes a few minutes the first time. If you have a lot of files, OneDrive needs to upload them to the cloud. But after that initial sync, everything is seamless and quick. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you now have an easy, reliable backup system for your most important Windows folders, using a tool that comes built in with your PC. If anything ever happens to your computer, maybe you spill coffee on your laptop or you upgrade to a new machine, your files are ready and waiting in OneDrive, safe and sound. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another OneDrive feature you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy backing up.